Welcome to Georgeway mathTV.
So how am I going to do this right here? Well, I was taught that whenever I'm subtracting or adding fractions, the first thing I want to look at is the denominator. I want to make sure they are the same. And in this case, they are the same. Z plus 5, Z plus 5. If they are the same, what I have to do is just copy one of the denominators. So I do this. I copy one of these. So Z plus 5, right? Okay. And then the next step would just be to combine the top. 8 minus 4. And I always want to check to make sure if I can combine like terms right at the top right there. So 8 minus 4. Those two are like terms. And 8 minus 4 is what? Is 4. And then I just bring down my denominator right there. Z plus 5. So this right there will be my answer. That wasn't bad. Alright, now let's see this one. Alright. So again, subtracting fractions. So the first thing I'm going to have to look at is the denominator. And the denominators happen to be the same. So the rule is I have to just copy one of the denominators, which is 2x plus 3. And I just combine the top like I see. So x minus 1. And can I combine the top, x minus 1? No, they are not like terms. So that would just be my answer. I love this. Alright, now let me add these fractions right here. So it's the same. So whenever I'm adding or subtracting fractions, I know I have to check the bottom or the denominators. They are the same. So again, I'm going to have to copy one of the denominators. So G plus 2. And then I'm just combining the top. So I have 6 plus 2. And again, I always want to see if I can combine like terms. So looking at the top, right, they are like terms. 6 plus 2. I should be able to combine it. 6 plus 2 is 8. And of course, I'm just going to bring down this denominator right there. G plus 2. And that will be my answer. I'm enjoying this right here. Alright. This one too, same thing. I'm adding fractions. Check the denominators. They are the same. And if they are the same, just copy one of them. So TP plus 5. And then I combine the top. Y plus 3. And can I combine the top? No. So that means that would just be my answer. That wasn't bad. I actually love this. All I gotta do is when I'm adding subtracting fractions, I'm checking the bottom. If they are the same, copy one at the bottom right there and combine the top. I love this. Alright, so now it's your turn. I want you to practice some of these questions on your own so you can make sure you really got it. And I know you got it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.